Isn't it time your portfolio felt less like a one-note song and more like a global orchestra? We all know the fundamental rule of investing, diversification. But in a standard US dollar-based portfolio, truly diversifying can feel limited. You might be spread across different stocks, bonds, and funds, but what about assets that move to the beat of a different drum? What about true global and non-traditional assets? That's where EverBank steps in. They offer specialized investment options that go far beyond the typical offerings at most financial institutions, giving you unique ways to reduce risk and tap into new growth opportunities. Let's look at the two main ways EverBank can help you diversify globally and tangibly. First, foreign currencies. EverBank's world currency accounts let you hold deposits in over 20 major and emerging market currencies. This is crucial because foreign currencies often react differently to global events than the US dollar. Whether you're bullish on the Brazilian real or the Swiss franc, you can gain direct exposure without the complexities of foreign brokerage accounts. They even offer world currency CDs and CD baskets, which are a simple way to instantly diversify across a pre-selected group of international currencies in one single investment. Second, precious metals. Metals like gold, silver, platinum, and palladium have historically served as a potential hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. EverBank makes it easy to add this tangible asset class to your portfolio. Through their Metals Select accounts, you can buy and hold physical coins or invest in unallocated metal, which is a pooled ownership option that bypasses the costs of storing physical coins yourself. This gives you a direct way to own a tangible, non-FDIC-insured asset that can move independently of the stock market. By offering these unique asset classes, foreign currencies, and precious metals, EverBank empowers you to build a portfolio that's more resilient, less correlated to the U.S. domestic market, and truly diversified on a global scale. It's about building a portfolio designed to perform, no matter what part of the world is seeing growth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.